You ever lock your keys in the truck? Get it unlocked? Go to start it, battery's dead? Yeah, me neither. Alright guys, here we go. We've got snow coming in, and where'd he go? Did he get off the roof? He got off the roof. Putty was just up there. Oh, there he is. Brent found him. So we're gonna hook the plow up. Brent is super excited about this. And then Shelby. Shelby's always happy to go plowing, so let's hook this up and wait for tomorrow to happen. Alright, we're getting the hang of it, guys. It's happening. I just had Brent run in the garage. We're gonna put some dielectric grease in here so moisture doesn't start corroding those. I gotta check this cylinder maybe tomorrow morning, make sure it's got enough fluid in it. I believe that line was loose. I gotta tighten that still. But we're hoping this is going to be a halfway decent storm. Maybe get you guys some content, and at the same time, maybe I can make some money plowing. It'll be the first time this year, right, Shelby? Hey, we got Bob. Bob says he'll come with us this time. So we've got the wigwags, we've got other wigwags. We're good, guys. I think the truck's good to go. I hope. We are going to need rear brakes. They started making some noise, so we'll get going.
Is it this block grease?
Nope, that is not it. That is JB Weld. I will go find it. All right, so we're gonna move the truck over to here so I have better access in and out. Plus, the driveway's longer here. It's shorter here, meaning from the porch right there. So I'm sticking out onto the road. So I'm gonna go all the way up as far as I can. So hopefully I'm not sticking in the road. And Brent's gonna move the Jeep over to here. Maybe some of you parents will agree with me, but when the kids start to drive, it's very nerve-wracking. Very nerve-wracking. Especially when they're driving one of your babies. Oh, your baby's driving. Oh my God. It's just scary all over. He's doing a really good job. I can't give him crap. I'm just saying it's sad and scary all at the same time when your baby starts driving. Right, Brent?
What?
Just say yes.
Sure.
Yep, he agrees. I know it's hard to see, but we got some snowflakes statting. We're at the fuel station. Fred's pumping some gas. We got the plow on. We got the Bella. We're ready to go. We just gotta wait for the snow. All right, here we are. I don't know if you guys can see. Hopefully you can. We're at about 12 o'clock Saturday night, and it is snowing quite well. Not terribly a lot. You can see the wind is blowing while it's going. When we wake up tomorrow, we'll probably have a good amount, and we'll be able to go plowing. See y'all tomorrow. I think we got snow. And it's still snowing. Where's all the puppies? There's one. There's two. Blue's out there somewhere. Blue, where are you? Oh, there's Blue. Out here. Shelby, what you got? You got the snow? Shelby. Shelby. Toss her some snow.
Shelby.
She got the snow. She's a happy girl.
Shelby.
You's a happy girl.
Shelby. Shelby.
You's a happy girl.
Shelby.
Alright guys, we're gonna get a couple shots of Henry plowing for the first time this year after all that work.
Yeah, I'm right here.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah, a lot better than the old plow. You're hitting the Jeep.
Dad, you have the Jeep.
Dad, you're on the Jeep. Oh my God. Dad.
Dad, good going.
I just shoveled this off, Bob.
Oh, okay. Can I come down or should I wait?
Probably wait a second because I think he's coming back. Cheyenne, I think he's coming back.
All right. Pause that, Brent.
Shelby.
All right, guys. We're having a problem with the plow. If it sits up, it does leak down over, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. That's not a huge deal to me, but when I go to push the snow, the plow angles this side, and then it'll get stuck and it won't go straight. That sucks because I like to push things straight on my last push. So I was just plowing. I didn't have it on camera, but it wouldn't barely go up. And any plow I've ever had, say you get stuck in a snowbank, right? I haven't yet, but I tested myself. I pushed the snow, picked the plow up, pushed it more, and then I went to move myself. Because if you angle the plows, you can move yourself out of the snowbanking. Well, this doesn't have enough power. I'm very concerned about that. So I'm going to change the fluid. This is the only fluid that AutoZone currently has in stock. I didn't really do much research, to be honest with you, because I'm stupid, but it says 4 plows and it's synthetic fluid, full synthetic. I'm guessing that there is moisture in this fluid, because in the morning times when I go to first run the plow, it'll go wee really slow up and down and side to side until it gets a little warmer. So let's head back to the house. I'm gonna drain this fluid. It stinks because I just want to get this chore done, you know. Try and get the yard done first thing in the morning. Throw some salt on the path and what have you to get all the snow out of the driveway so it doesn't become slippery. But let me see what we get with this, and we'll bring you guys back once we get home and get everything all set up to drain this fluid. I'm guessing it's gonna be milky. That's probably gonna be bad because that means that there's moisture in the lines, and well, you know, moisture with hydraulic, boom. I don't want to blow any lines or seals, so let's get home. Oh, we got Shelby too. Shelby. Hey guys, one-handed. Probably ain't gonna happen. This looks like it's gonna be right at the wrong angle. Well, maybe. Let's see what comes out of here. I don't know if this is the right one or not. I think it is. Isn't it? Yeah. It says drain right on it. Sorry, it's cold. Oh. All right. Oh, shit. I missed a bunch, but well, at least it was floating in, I guess. Well, I wish I could set this down. Not really able to though. All right, well, that's what came out of it. I'm sure filling it's not going to be too easy, but this right there. I'll bring you guys back in a little bit. All right, all. I puked a little bit out. I got some air bubbles that are happening on this. Can't really get you a good, there we go. Some air bubbles, this is where you fill it. There's a little bleeder on top of this. I don't know if it's supposed to come out, if it's supposed to bleed itself. I would imagine, right? Somehow let air out when it needs to. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go up and down a few more times. Like I said, there was quite a lot of air coming out. This is what we got out. So if I let that sit in there, I bet you that would separate. I pretty much guarantee you there was water in there, guys. Oh, copyright. Oh, it's heat right now. Woo! But sounds a little better. We might have to change this fluid again. Definitely sounds better, guys. It's lifting faster. See if we can see any more air coming out. Dogs are very upset. Shelby's upset. She wants to be out here, but she don't want to listen. No, looks like we're sitting about where we should be with that. It said right below the, right where you can see it in. There's some air coming out. I guess if you shake this a little bit, air comes out. It's cold, guys. It's cold out here. I don't know what the temperature is, but man, my hands are cold. There's some bubbly bubbles coming. You can see that. Lots of air. I wouldn't be surprised if that was one of the reasons that things weren't working right. I'm hoping there ain't a bad ram or something, because I just don't want to replace anything on this plow. It's an okay plow, but geez, it's not what I want. It's all rotten in the front. I have to fix that to make it better. Alright, well, I'm going to stop complaining. I'm going to keep shaking this thing, bring it up and down, and then we'll go out and try it here in a couple minutes. We'll bring you back. Alright, Dunkin' Donuts first thing this morning. My brother stops by with his new truck. And he's complaining already.
For the DNA with them.
Just a noise. And he says fix it. At Dunkin' Donuts at 7:30 in the morning.
I ain't got time for you YouTube shit.
Would you bring me the smallest ratchet?
The ratchet he gave me.
Oh, alright.
Shut it off?
Shut it off. And the ratchet's broken. It doesn't even switch. He gave you a broken ratchet. Oh. Alright. We'll bring it back. I have no idea. There, guys. If you can see, it's a tensioner. She's rubbing right up against the block. You can get that much. I'm guessing there's no bearing left in that. Come on, focus. I'm guessing there's no bearing left in that, so we're gonna try and get a screwdriver off to the side and push that. That one work? Let's see. Just finally let go. Electric ratchet would be great. We've definitely uncovered an issue. We're not sure if it's the issue. That was hitting without a doubt, as you guys can see. We're gonna go buy a new one and see if something's not right. Something's wrong. It's definitely something's wrong. All right, we went and got the new one. We're not really sure, because the only difference is there's a small raise here, or maybe the geometry is different. But as you guys can see, it is definitely hitting. So maybe it's thicker on the other one. We're gonna put it on and find out. Well, now we got a sweep. That's not the same as what was there, right? Yeah. It is? So this thing had two problems.
I wonder if it's that little one there.
Yeah, it might be this other pulley. That one was making a little bit of noise. But it almost sounds like alternator. Alright, let's take the belt back off. At least we got one problem fixed. What it was, you know?
You clear?
Yeah. Seems like it's squealing all over. It's not just one side. The alternator definitely has some bearing noise, but I think run it. Nothing's gonna fall off in it right now. You know what I mean? Because that pulley was definitely an issue where it was hitting the block. It wasn't able to tension correctly. See? I think it's getting quieter. Shut the hood. It's his new truck. He doesn't want any noise at all. I think you're fine. I think you're absolutely fine. Go to work.
All right.
We'll change that alternator on Friday or something. I bet you after about 20 miles you won't even hear that anymore.
I'm sure I will.
He's gonna hear it no matter what. He put some belt dressing on there, and that could be some of the noise. Because that tensioner was definitely an issue where it was hitting the block, where it's hitting the timing case. So take it, go to work. He just got the truck yesterday. It's his first, I think it's his first pickup truck. First real one at least. It's all part of owning a vehicle. Problems. We'll bring you guys back when we go to do that alternator, or maybe not. I don't know. It's cold out here. I'm going inside for a little bit. Then we got to work on Mr. Henry and the plow. I hate this plow. Pushing snow again. Gotta love the Northeast. Right, Duncan? Right, Shelby? Back to it. Whoever brought these to hell, tell them to bring them back. Jesus. Yeah, but watch. Oh, that one came out. Yeah, anything loose. So, let's stuff now. And now take heat it up for a minute, not much of a choice. And now, hopefully heat it up enough. Not. Get in there. Damn. 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 I think it comes off before the plug strips. Damn. I'm not having much luck on this one. That's not good. Heat up a little more. Hopefully it's going to come before that lug nut strip. You don't need to put them this tight. You can see that some of these threads are kind of stripped. See how jammed in they put the nuts. You see how it's all discombobulated in there? It ain't supposed to be like that, guys. Jeez. Not good. Absolutely not good here. Come on. Come on, Brent. Jesus. I don't know, guys. It's not looking good for us. Not looking good at all. I'm going to try and heat this to hell and then hammer on it. You really don't have to. Hopefully I don't have to cut that off or something. That would suck. Let's keep going. Fine. Really?
There you go.
Alright guys, so we heated that up, threw some strike hold on it. I'll throw the link in the description. Pretty good company, pretty good stuff. And then we got the air hammer that Bob bought us for Christmas. And I'm just going to tap on the end of this trying to get some of the rust to break free or corrosion, or if I can. Probably not. Why made that noise? That one lives in hell too. We'll bring you guys back. Heather, I don't know who is maintaining your vehicles, but they're not maintaining them very well. We clearly have a grease fitting here. That boot is dry. That boot is dry. I'm guessing the lower. Just letting you know. Pop-up squall. Hopefully the video can show. Look at this, guys. Just 2 seconds ago, it was absolutely fine out there. All right, all, we're about a week after that storm. I don't know how much I actually recorded. I'm sorry for that. The plow started making me very upset. I think I recorded showing changing the fluid. My uncle thinks that it's going to be one of these solenoids, that maybe there's a seal that's gone bad. So I might pull one of those out today. But one thing that I'm having a problem with, here goes the dogs, is when I drop the plow, you know, over the hood, I can't see it inside the cab. They have these markers, as you can see, but they're gone. So O'Reilly's, not sponsored, willing to be. Got 36-inch orange. Here's your brand. These were $37 under my account. So we're gonna go ahead and throw those on, and we might mess with the plow a little bit. I've also thought that maybe it was this bad seal in one of the angle rods, but I don't see it because there's no fluid. As you guys can see, this thing's dry. Very dry. You can see the remnants of me making a mess, but other than that, it's dry. Everything's plugged in like it should be. Well, let's mess with it. Let's see what we can get on this. All right, guys, we're gonna have Brent work on this. Everybody say hi to Brent. Brent the technician.
Alright.
So what are we doing, Brent?
Changing the plow marker.
There's one.
But not.
There's two. Broken pieces come off. Right?
They go in the metal pile.
We're gonna grab our new stuff.
We got new
Brent, are these directional? Oh.
Are they directional?
No,
I have
I'm
no
just
clue.
kidding. Do we want to use never sees on this stuff or
Nah.
no?
No.
Do we put this on the outside or inside? What's the other one? On the inside.
yeah.
Okay. Here's your nuts and bolts.
You're nuts.
Hold on. Did it go in the right hole?
Other way.
Other way.
I know I said other way.
No. You're right.
Okay. Why wouldn't that part be on the inside?
Because it's just not the way it is.
Okay, Dad.
Hey,
I'm
Butterfingers.
I'm done.
What? What do you mean you're done?
I'm done.
We're not done. We haven't got these on yet.
Oh.
You know, it's not cold, but
Here,
it's
just
not.
let go.
It's not hot. I was just helping.
Fine. You can let go.
Fine. Look at that. I'm gonna see that from the cab for sure, guys. We probably could have gone with 24s, but that's okay.
Why aren't they not just going on?
They're nylon nuts, so they don't back off.
What?
They have nylon on the inside of that nut, so it makes it so it doesn't back off. Well, you hope. Tight like tiger?
So it's chipping away when I.
Oh
screw
well,
it down.
it's rusty. What do you expect? Look at that, guys! Wow, we'll be able to see that, some monkey.
This one.
All right, Brent's gonna go ahead and do that one. We're gonna do it off camera, but pretty quick and easy. 2 bolts, 2 nuts, and then we'll get working on. We'll lift the plow up and mess with it a little bit, see what goes on. Bring your back.
Those aren't coming off.
Those ain't going nowhere. All right, I'm gonna go lift up the plow. All right, guys, so sitting in the cab, you guys can see the markers now. What I wanna do, mind you, it says it's 20, come on, go back to it, 29, I think it said. Yeah, 29 degrees out here. Oh, shut the plow off.
It does not feel 29.
It lifts a lot better ever since I changed the fluid. We're not going anywhere. But, I mean, maybe it's not in these newer ones, but see how it moves left to right? Right? In my experience, every plow I've ever had, it's down on the ground now. It stops. It moves a little bit, but then it just stops. Now, I've been stuck in in pickups in a snowbanking before, and I've been able to use the plow to get me out. This one just doesn't seem like it has the pressure, you know? So, what is that, guys? Somebody tell me. Is that a bad solenoid? Is that a bad pump? I already changed the fluid. Yeah, I think I showed them, like, if I have it turned like this, okay, and I go to plow forward, say you got, you know, a little bit of snow, so it's pushing. As it's pushing, the plow starts tilting like this, and by the end of the time I've pushed, the plow is this angle now. Same way as if it's straight. Also, if it's at this angle right now, and I go and I push the snow, most times this plow will not release. It won't turn again. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to drop the plow and then back up and move the angle of the plow at the same time, and then it'll release. It just doesn't seem like it's got enough pressure. Like something is stopping it. Let's go take one of those solenoids out and we'll go from there. We'll bring it right back.
What?
All right, so I put a little more fluid in the pump, and then I overfilled it by a lot, so that's good. But what I did is I made these chains. I think I made them the same length, maybe. So I'm gonna have Brent lift it up. We're gonna lift it up, and we're gonna go side to side, try and burp this a little more. Maybe that's some of the problem. All right, Brent, go ahead, go up. Stop. Does that seem like it lifted any better? I don't know. What do you guys think? Does that look better? Go down. All the way. Go up. Up. Stop. Go up. Stop. Go side to side. Go all the way to there. All the way to the other side. All the way to the other side. All the way to this side. Straight. Stop. Down. Down.
Yeah, it was turning better on the ground. Maybe it is just air.
All right, so as you guys can see, we're moving side to side. Pretty gooder. And up and down's okay. And it was even a couple minutes ago, well, before I threw the camera on, it was turning all the way left to right without any hesitation, but you know, on the ground. Maybe it's just airbound. I don't know. Why don't y'all go ahead and leave your comments down below. I mean, I don't know. Whoa. We just killed the battery or something? This didn't seem to like that. And we're not charging right. Oh, come on. I don't need more problems. Oh, no. Yep, we have a charging issue, guys. Did you see that? Brent, watch the gauge right here. That alternator, I think, just shit the bed. Oh, guys.
Why is it ticking down?
Because I think the alternator just shit the bed. Oh, man. I don't see a battery light on, but come on. Every time you use her, she tugs down.
And stays down?
It's not reading like it should be. Should be right around 14. Alright, I'm gonna go get the power probe, would you? And we'll hook it up and see if she's taking a dump, which I think it is.
Power probe.
Any guesses? It says we're reading 14. Turn some stuff on.
Which button?
That's on. Turn the blower motor on all the way. I'll turn the wipers on.
Defroster thing here?
14.
How do you turn the wigwags on?
Turn, just move the button for the plow. Just once. Just doink. She takes a shit then. Do it again.
Maybe it's just a plow then.
Go down. All the way. Go up. Just takes a dump right there.
Right at the top there?
Turn it. Anytime we use the plow,
So, is it something to do with the plow's battery?
the plow doesn't have a
I
battery.
thought you said it did.
Let's go look under the hood, I guess. I have not messed with this setup at all. At all. Not really sure how everything comes into play with this. Now, I thought these trucks would have a dual battery setup. Where does that plow hook onto? That can't be great. That's loose to begin with. So we know that's not getting a great connection. But let's see what the alternator is reading to begin with. Oh, here we go. the lug. Why are we not reading any power? There we go. All right, run the plow for a second. Go down. All the way. Up. So down. Up. Side. 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 Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten that to begin with. Brent, where's that 13 open end? All right, all. We're heading down to AutoZone. I think they have a load tester. I don't have a load tester. We're wondering if some of that issue is the battery. I know that normally these heavy Chevys come with a dual battery setup, especially when you got the plow. So maybe we'll have to look into doing something like that. Maybe that's some of the problem of why this plow isn't operating correctly too. But let's get off this and be safe and go down to AutoZone and have things checked out. All right, guys. So mini new battery. They want 190, 180 bucks for a battery. I just don't have it right now. I have top post battery, but no side post, because this has to be a stinking Chevy with that stupid side post bull crap. So we did the right thing. We spent 10 bucks. So hopefully it'll reach, and I can get at least a halfway decent battery in this, because we got the battery from a Falcon, and we got the battery from the from 76. And if those aren't big enough, I know the Jeep one is big enough. I can take the Jeep one out, and I'll put maybe the truck one in that, the 76. Because like I said, 180, 190 bucks, too much money. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm not gonna show you this. I think it's kind of boring. I just want to tell you that's what we're gonna do. And then I'll bring you back and tell you if it works for that. And then Brent wants to get his rig. It's right, yeah, his rig's right there. He wants to get his rig into the garage, because I'm not really using the shop right this minute. I'm starting a new job, so I'm not really working in the garage right now. And he's gonna move Cheyenne's rig, our Focus. We have plenty of parts for that thing. We'll be doing a clutch job in it, and he's got brake lines and what have you to put on his. So when he has time, he wants to be able to go in the garage and just go in there instead of moving everything and shoveling and all that crap to get it out. So he wants to get it out tonight, because we are supposed to get a storm tonight. Tomorrow morning, sorry. So he's jumping that stuff, getting it running. While he's doing that, I went out, when I was there, I bought some plastic weld, because this controller, these things are expensive. Man, everything is expensive. But it keeps pulling out. This keeps pulling out of here. It's not being held in there. So I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. Throw some of that plastic weld in here. So hopefully this will stay connected to this, because there's wires that are going to get pulled out, and I don't want to have to buy a new one of these. But hey, one thing, if anybody has a Fisher with the joystick that they want to sell for a decent price, let me know, because I'm pretty sure I can lob off this end, figure out what wires go to what, and just hook it into the other one. That way I can just plug this in still and just strip this back. That's what I really like to have. So we'll put the new battery in here in a little bit. We gotta go find it. I think it's in the office or it's in the garage. We'll bring it back, like I said, Brent's doing that stuff. Sorry, I'm choking on Werther's. And yeah, we'll bring you back when we got something else to show. Oh, I don't know if you guys heard that. I did. Those are so much nicer to have, especially when you're going like downtown and there's not much room between cars. It works really well for me too. So, all right, Brent's gonna complain about something. What do you got, son?
I'm gonna complain to you, Dad.
Yeah.
It keeps making a ticking noise.
Ah, not enough power. Is it turning green? You might have to get the other jump pack.
The car's making a ticking noise.
Yeah, not enough power. He's gonna go with the other jump pack. He's not happy. All right, bring it back. Bye. All right, so that's how it mixed up. It says 15 minutes. It sets. Stick in that, and just trying to keep it upright here for a couple minutes at least. I think that'll do just fine. That'll do, pig. Hopefully I never have to get into it because it might not be the easiest, but we'll figure that out when we get there. Brent's got one running.
What, Dad? What's
Nah,
wrong?
nothing's wrong. What's wrong with you?
My hood won't pop.
Hit on the middle of it, in the front. Pound on it. With your fist.
What?
With your fist.
With my fist?
Yeah. You might have to hit the edge of it while you're pulling the cord.
What?
Yep.
I have no clue what you said.
He gets so angry so quickly. I'm gonna have to go help him, guys. Alright, guys. This is the next day. We haven't got a lot of snow.
Well, we got a good amount.
We got a little bit. We just went and looked at a couple of driveways. Gave them some quotes. Brent, Shelby's in the back. Brent has now convinced me that I need to go blow donuts in that parking lot over there.
Oh, are we recording it?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
So, let's go do that.
Yeah, that's what
We're gonna get away from these cars.
Yeah.
Shelby.
Joey.
We just saw a bullnose F-150. I wish I would have had the camera out. The thing is pretty sweet. Hopefully we see him again sometime. We can stop and actually talk to him. We saw him at the stoplight. Yeah, maybe we could play down over here. Just for a minute. Here. Right.
Your drink.
Don't let it spill.
I know, I'm gonna have to hold it, aren't I?
No, we shouldn't have to. It's not quite slick enough yet.
It's perfectly fine. Hi, Shelby.
Shelby girl.
Shelby.
We're almost there. Here we go. Woohoo! You dizzy yet, son?
No.
I'm a little dizzy. The fastest those tires ever spun in the Jeep.
Probably.
You having fun? I think we have a door open.
Probably.
Woo! Okay, hold on. I gotta.
Why do there have to be cars on the other side of that snowbank? We could totally climb that.
Oh my. We're stuck.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
See, reversed. They're fine. My arm hurts from holding this.
Oh, goodness gracious. Princess, I'm so sorry. All right, catch the speed.
You know what would be more fun? To do this without my buckle on.
Alright, now we gotta go find another parking lot to do that in.
Alright, we'll see you guys later.
We went to the parking garage and look what we found. Hello. Alright, all. As you can see, it's the day after the storm. I went and plowed my first lot of the day. This battery is really taking a dumper. So O'Reilly's has got one in stock. I'm gonna go ahead and rip this one out, put the new one in, and I'm really hoping this is gonna be the only problem. So let me go do that and get back at it.